kamusta? This is not the end for the section of where. We have more sample conversations in the pronunciation audio guide. To start, look at the left side part of this page. So are you ready? Okay, let's jump to sample conversation number 3. It is a conversation between Rima and Riba. Rima said, "O Riba, kamusta? Saan ka galing?" "O Riba, kamusta? Saan ka galing?" Which means, "Oh Riba, how are you? Where have you been?" And Riba said, "Oy Rima, okay naman ako. Galing ako sa Boracay." "Oy Rima, okay naman ako. Galing ako sa Boracay." Which means, "Hey Rima, I'm fine. I just came from Boracay." Rima then responded, "O talaga? Maganda ba sa Boracay?" Which means, "Oh really? Is Boracay beautiful?" And Riba responded, "Oo, napakaganda doon. Oo, napakaganda doon." Which means, yes, it is wonderful there. So if you'll notice, when Filipinos refer to a place, the preposition sa is always used. We go to sample conversation number 4. Imagine a mobile phone setting. Alex said, "Hello pare, saan ka?" Which means, "Hello bro, where are you?" or "Where you at?" And Mark responded, "Oh pre, dito ako sa trabaho." "Oh pre, dito ako sa trabaho." Which means, "Hey bro, I'm here at work." Alex said, "Shot tayo mamaya pre." Shot tayo mamaya pre. Which means, in English, "Let's have a drink later bro." And Mark I responded, "Okay pare, saan tayo pupunta?" "Okay pare, saan tayo pupunta?" Which means, "Okay bro, where are we going?" And Alex responded, "Doon sa 1920s bar sa Timog." Doon sa 1920s bar sa Timog. There in 1920s bar in Timog. So if you notice, doon, which is a faraway place, sa, which is a location marking particle, 1920s bar is a bar, so it's a place. Another sa, a location marking particle, and Timog is where the bar is located. So sa is a very important location marking particle. So that's the end for this pronunciation audio guide, and I hope you did enjoy and learned a lot from listening to this audio. Salamat!